All right, I've got one more review to do for you guys while I'm still here in the U.S. Momentarily, and that's of the premium Fijian Kava from Paradise Kava. This is a new product that is a manifestation of an older Fijian product that they sold. Um, Adil at Paradise Kava has sourced out a better value Fijian kava that we can all enjoy for a less expensive price than a lot of the Vanuatuan kavas that are currently out there that are strong. So I'm going to be reviewing this today. So I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to make this stuff and then I'm going to get back to you and talk about the how it's making me feel. All right, so I've really brewed this stuff up pretty strong here. I mixed about 4.5 heaping tablespoons with about 300 milliliters of water. So this is what my kava looks like here that I'm about to enjoy. A nice kind of dark brown color. Not something that I would normally associate with a Fijian colored kava, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. So it's got a very, very excellent premium fresh flavor. I'm going to say that this is like a very, very good tasting kava. Great for like newbies, or noobs as they call them these days, to give it a try out at one of your kava parties. I'll get right back to you in like 10 minutes. Again, you're not going to notice because I'm going to edit it, so I'll let you know how this stuff feels. Alright, so I've had about 2 shells in the past 10 minutes, and I'm about to have a third shell. Very, very strong. I used about 4.5 heaping tablespoons. So there's still a fair amount of kava left in this bag here, which for the value is like awesome. So that's my third and final shell for this session. Excuse me for the grimace. It's very strong. I made it very strong. My assessment of this kava is that for being a value kava powder, you're not going to find a better kava on the market. I was talking to Adil today about this, and kavas in Vanuatu are becoming more and more difficult to get, and in these Fijian kind of kavas, these Fijian kavas, not kind of kavas, are a little bit better value, and I'm going to have to go ahead and say that this is like a damn good kava. I'm going to write up a text review of this. It'll be accompanying this video shortly on the Kavasseur website. And remember to click on links at Kavasseur so that we can produce a little bit of revenue. And very soon I'm going to be talking about an exciting new project for the Kava community. I'm going to try to start bringing together my professional experience as a human social development worker, works in agriculture around the world in countries like Ethiopia and Ghana. I'm going to merge that interest with my interest in kava, and you're going to be hearing more about that very soon. Really exciting stuff, and I'll keep it a mystery for the meantime. So stay cool, root heads, stay crunked, and enjoy southern or premium Fijian kava from Paradise Kava. I'm completely crunked right now, so I'm going to go listen to some music.